Tour. I'm Kiki Palmer from Jordan Peele's film, Nope. What's a bad miracle? Well, you'll have to see our movie to answer that. Until then, I hope you enjoy your visit to Jupiter's Claim.
Did you see a UFO in that cloud?
Yeah.
I've never seen nothing like this.
Only in theaters now. Rated R.
But we are thrilled to most recently have partnered with Academy Award-winning director Jordan Peele. And in just a moment, we'll be taking you to the Jupiter's Claim sets. These are the actual sets from Jordan Peele's newest horror movie, Nope, starring Daniel Kaluuya, Kiki Palmer, and Steven Yeun.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the Winking Well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Fine. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso Experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Lies a sinister secret. Welcome to the world
Of no.
And you can see that amazing movie and those actual sets being used in Jordan Peele's new movie, Nope. That's right, those were the actual sets from the movie, as I mentioned. They were actually deconstructed shortly after filming and brought directly here to join in on our studio tour. And you guys were the first group who actually got to experience all of that with our clips. So thank you guys for being so amazing as well. And we're